Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for Linksys routers under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Linksys setup. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Linksys routers? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your network traffic stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN connection drops, so your real IP never leaks while using your Linksys. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't record your browsing on your router. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Linksys users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Linksys because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, meaning your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy on your home network. Another cool feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could harm your devices connected via Linksys, even when the VPN is off on your router. It also has this neat tool called MeshNet, letting you connect multiple devices across different locations securely, perfect for customizing your Linksys network. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited, simultaneous connections through your Linksys router, so all your smart devices can be protected at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Linksys user can verify their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure, no middlemen. They have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable VPN connection for your Linksys router. And for anyone wanting the lowest ping and fastest connections across devices, it provides a SOC 5 proxy that's a perfect match for gaming or streaming through Linksys. This can help route traffic more efficiently. Just keep in mind you're trading some encryption for speed with that. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Linksys routers? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means smoother streaming, gaming, and browsing across all devices connected. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance varies depending on the server you pick on your Linksys. So which VPN should you choose for your Linksys? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed, strong security, and extra features like MeshNet are your top priorities for your Linksys router. Go with IPVanish if you have a lot of devices on your network and want all of them connected with unlimited bandwidth. And finally, pick PIA if you want transparency and privacy with proven no-logs, perfect for the privacy-conscious Linksys user on a budget. And that's it. We're out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running on your Linksys router. See you soon.